What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Fizz. Thank you for tuning into the High Life Garage. And today, man, we is going to be doing POV driving of my single turbo Coyote Mustang. Previously, if you guys watched the last video, you guys know that I was pulling out the motor and everything, getting everything ready and prepped so we could start turbo build. But we ran into a little issue with storage and trying to edit and shit like that. Pretty much lost all my fucking videos. But we got the turbo kit and everything going, man. It's been on for about 2 months now. I want to say last time I uploaded a video was like 4 weeks ago. But as you guys can see, she is completed. Was running into hella issues like at first, but she's all good, man. Like the bumper and everything. Bumper was definitely a little tricky because it did look good when I had it cut. I cut off, I think, over here and over here. One of the tabs, I cut too much of it off. And then once I got into boost, she just, boop, probably drop a picture, show you guys what she looked like on that. But yeah, guys, that's what we're going to be getting into today, man. We're going to be doing a little POV driving, first time reaction. And then shit, since I lost all those videos, I've been having little issues like trying to think of some content to make. But I do know, I want to say it's like July 25th, I will be going down to Mustang week. So that's probably going to be like a next setup thing I'm going to try to do is get this car prepped and ready so we can head on down to Mustang week for the last Mustang week that they doing. 2022, this is going to be the last Mustang week. I want to say I've been going for like the last about 6 years. I skipped a year because of COVID or whatever the fuck that they had going on. They canceled the year out on us and shit. But this year we definitely gonna make it. For sure gotta make it on the new build. Like I took V6 down there, I took this down there, I took this down there a couple times, full boat on, other one minor boat ons. Now I'm gonna be taking this car down with a motherfucking turbo on it. See how she do though, but we need to hurry up, get this POV driving. And as you guys see, we got ourselves a little bit of cloudy situation going on in this bitch though, but it is what it is, man. I'm not about to let this shit stop me though. Even if it do sprinkle a little bit, we not about to get too crazy into this motherfucker. We just gonna, feel me, just get a drive in. You know, let me talk to y'all. Y'all know what's been going on with the car, about the installation, the instructions on it, the fitment on it. Pretty much gonna get down into all of that and then start talking about like what's some future things I want to do to it. Like what's the next things I should be doing, because really I'm not done. Since I put a turbo in it, I'm not done by no means with this car. Like this car probably about 30% where I want it to be at. And that's crazy to think because I've been working so hard to get the turbo on it. I'm thinking I was gonna be done after that. Hell nah, the grind don't stop with these cars, man. But yeah, that's probably gonna be the next thing we gonna be working on, figure out like what's the next thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead, hop in the car. I already got all the cameras and shit set up. Shout out to my boy Andrew for letting me borrow that little bad baby. I had that motherfucker for at least a solid month now though, but trying to get videos, trying to do some races, like I've been thirsty as fuck. I tried it a couple times with a couple of cars, but feel like she got a lot more in her. We gonna talk about that later, man. I'm gonna go ahead, close this hood, hop in the car. Let's get this POV drive, this first time reaction going on. And shit, drop a comment for your boy, man. Hit that like button. If you're feeling a little hungry, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and jump in the car so we can get this reaction going, man. First, I wanna see if I can do a little trick. Haha, y'all like that? Yeah, y'all like that? Get this scroll start going. All right, guys, we in the car now. So now the first thing you'll want to do is definitely take all your traction and shit off. Why does it look like I got a fucking Dodge Fest? Why the fuck it look like I got a Dodge Fest? Oh yeah, y'all might be able to catch this on the GoPro. They just don't know. This gonna be some good content. Hold up. My video, I ain't even reaching. I'm about to do them something so disrespectful and dirty. I'm not gonna mess up my damn video like that. I'm trying to do a reaction video, niggas wanna come roll up. And it's a Hellcat. I might be able to see it on one of the GoPros. I got both of them homes on. get the fuck on the freeway. Oh, nigga, we the Hellcat stretching this bitch. Anything dies could get lifted, you hear me? Definitely don't want none of that slizzy smoke. I'm gonna let him get in front. I know they ain't gonna send this scat pack out on me first, nigga. Go get the Hellcat. Get the Hellcat. I hope he ain't got his bitch in there, cause get the Hellcat. Bring me the boss. I want the boss. Guys, niggas fucking up my video. I came to talk about, you feel me? Talk about the drive, the kid, how well she works, man. The instructions was definitely, I say, they could have been a lot better on instructions. But for the most part, I mean, I got the bitch done, everything fit. Fuck, I'm losing my train of thought trying to fuck with these things. I think this was the Hellcat. Guys, we back at the crib now, man. I definitely was not expecting that. Doing a POV reaction video, and I guess run into a couple little Dodges, a couple little Hellcats. The car handles its own. Unfortunately, there isn't going to be a part 2 or a part 3 of the build series, because unfortunately I lost all my videos. A few videos I guess I could drop. I got a couple dyno videos I could drop. I was running into like a little misfire issue with an injector. She tried to get her clean, didn't work. So I got a new one, put it in, swapped it in. She was working for a little bit, but then it's like steady comes around, but it's not as bad as it was. So ever since my last dyno, I just been playing with the car, send it, fuck it. That's what I'm here to do. If it breaks, it breaks. We gonna throw another motor in this motherfucker and keep on trucking. But other than that, I wanna say I got a couple runs that I did. I did a race with a Corvette. boosted 10-speed. A Civic Type R. Cause he broke niggas. A GT500 swap.
This too big as hell to knock a nigga lungs out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick your dope, get on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make them noise, I eat your face. 9, 10, 11. We ain't gon' say that and won't fuck with Jake. I'ma kill 14 niggas if 13 bitch niggas play.
Camaro, a Pro Charge Camaro. Pro Charge Coyote. Just a few little runs and a couple of Hellcats. I ran a nitrous scat pack too. Just trying to get some runs, have fun, playing with the cameras, playing with the GoPros, trying to see what's my best angle, for real. I don't know, I'm trying to get used to this shit. I'm still trying to get used to talking on this motherfucker, for real. But that's it, guys. And like I said, the next thing I want to say we gonna be doing is Mustang Week. As you see, I am repping a Mustang Week shirt. It's the last Mustang Week that they doing. It's coming up in July 25th to the 29th. We gonna be there the whole week. We about to have fun, be at the bar, burn out, just enjoy ourselves. And then also I got a few things I want to do to the car. I plan on having a radio in here. I also want to do the starlights. And then after that, like little cheap stuff, I want to start working on to like my suspension, probably like my appearance, mix it up. We gonna see how it goes, man. I'm just giving this shit a try, for real. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Drop a comment for your boy, hit that like button, and if you ain't already, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for tuning into the High Life Garage. I'll catch y'all niggas later. Peace out.